Okay, so here we start. Gonna pull all the valves, clean them up, put it all back together, and hopefully this thing will run. Oh man, I forgot to turn the air dryer on. Hang on. We'll clean them up, lap it all out, see what happens. You know, that's what I told Sam. I said, worst case scenario, we screw it up, which they're already screwed up. So it's all a learning curve, and here we go. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but that's the one we managed to get out. So we'll see. Hopefully at least get one of these done today. I'm not sure about the rest, but then we gotta swap out shop lights for the LEDs. And 8 years ago when I installed them, I paid like $6 a piece for them. So, but now I just put new bulbs in that one, and it obviously isn't working. So time to, and actually if you look, the LEDs are much better quality of light, and I forgot them. I just got to spend the time to swap them out. So wish us luck. I'm sure I'll do a video once I get one done, or maybe even do one in you know, the process of tearing it down and doing it itself. I'm not sure if anyone else has done this, but you know, this is my first, so, and I'm not afraid to learn. So that's what I'm going to do. You guys have a good afternoon, and check back later as there might be another video.